I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log into your American Military University's account. So it's pretty simple, but watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip then you guys might get confused and I don't want you guys to get confused. So watch this video until the end. And before I show you the way, you want to go to a search engine. It could be any search engine you want, but I'm using Google Chrome. You can use whatever you want. Once you're in your search engine, what you want to search for is American Military University. After you search your American Military University, you want to click where it says American Military University. Click, and it's going to take you to this website. After you come to this website, you want to log into your account. So it's going to show you this login button over here. Just click on login. Once you click on login, it's going to take you to this page. After you come to this page, basically enter your student ID or your faculty ID. And after entering your student ID and faculty ID, enter the password. And after entering the password, click on submit. And if your student ID and password is correct, then you should be able to log in American Military University account. And if you forget your ID or password, basically you can choose over here. If you forget your password, you can click on forget password. If you forgot your ID, you can click on forgot ID. So that's basically how you guys can log into American Military University account.